The kitchen sink can sometimes emit a sewer-like smell, and there are several possible reasons for this issue. One cause may be a clog in the plumbing vent, which prevents gases from escaping and allows sewer gas to flow into the kitchen. If this is the case, it may be necessary to contact a professional for assistance. Another potential reason is a clog in the sewer line, which can cause wastewater to back up into the home's outlet drains, resulting in standing water in the kitchen sink drain and a sewer-like smell. A kitchen drain plunger can be used to try and remove the clog. Additionally, a problem with the P-trap can also cause the smell. If the P-trap is dry, often due to the sink being unused for a long time, a sewage-like smell can emanate from the sink. To prevent this, pouring half a gallon of water into the P-trap can help to fix the issue. By addressing these potential causes, it is possible to eliminate the sewer-like smell from the kitchen sink.